Look at this project and get blown away. On the left hand side, we are giving input as multiple IDs or photos, and then there is a text input that a photo of 7 men in Mars, and then we are also giving it another input for pose. And look at right hand side for from the individual ID photos and plus the text prompt plus the pose, and it has generated a portrait of all of those men on Mars. How good is that? This is a new model in front of you which is called as InstantFamily. The weights of these models haven't been released yet, but already people are eagerly awaiting for it. This InstantFamily model is an approach that employs a new masked cross attention mechanism and a multimodal embedding stack to achieve zero shot multi ID image generation. And it comes with a very finely written paper by all of these researchers, and I will drop the link to this paper in video's description. But for the purpose of this, let's go back and look at this photo again. This is a result of zero shot multi ID personalized text to image generation, and here the instant family method is generating an image that satisfies all conditions through a diffusion process when given images of a multiple IDs, a text prompt, and an image for pose control. How good is that? And then this is primarily the architecture of this model, where it is actually from left to right doing face detection, aligning the faces, and doing a lot of stuff in terms of denoising. And then at the end, after passing through multiple layers, it is producing this image. Let me try to explain what is happening here. So at the core of it, Instant Family is trying to generate splendid images while preserving identity controlled on multi-person and multi-pose condition. This figure shows their comprehensive architecture. The input to the proposed method integrates both global and local features from faces using the flattened one-dimensional face embeddings from the face encoder and two-dimensional last layer tensors from the same encoder. This dual input strategy ensures a rich capture of facial features, which are also scattered throughout it. To effectively control multiple faces and bodies simultaneously, they have designed masked cross attention, which emphasizes face embedding while maintaining the integrity of text embedding. This approach involves concatenating multi ID embedding with text embedding, where the mask contains information about the facial positions for each ID within the image. So this mask assists in weighted learning of positions corresponding to text and ID during the cross attention process in UNet and ControlNet. And there are a lot of other details which you can check through in this paper. Let me show you another cool example. Now, if you look at this one, in um, this one shows the training and inference process of Instant Family. Once the model is trained, new input can be used for inference without retraining. Training requires multiple identity images paired with text prompt, but during inference, users can use any multi-ID, and poses and text prompt can also be used flexibly. And then look at this one. How good is that? In this one, shows qualitative comparison of their method with state-of-the-art methods in generating images of multi-ID. The first row shows the results generated from two IDs and two versions of text prompt. The second row shows the results generated from the 7 IDs and a simple style text prompt. How good is that? And then look at this example. Again, in this one, this is a generation result from 1 ID to 4 IDs. Each row is the result generated for different number of input IDs and text prompt conditions such as Mars, school, and street. So this instant family is a significant advancement in the field of multi-ID personalized text to image generation. Also, they have introduced a new metric for quantitatively evaluating multi-ID preservation and have demonstrated that their approach achieves state-of-the-art performance utilizing a scalable multimodal embedding stack and a masked cross-attention structure. They have effectively trained on multi-ID scenarios. This enabled the generation of images that adhere to free composition and text prompts, so enabling the production of new types of multimedia content that were previously unattainable. And then this goes on and on. There are a lot of other great examples which you can read through this paper. But the thing is that the development of personalized image generation technologies has become feasible, really feasible with this power of AI. And with the advent of such technologies, the importance of accurately representing multi-ID within a single image has increased. These models often encounter limitations when attempting to effectively preserve the attribute of multiple IDs, so compromising on individual characteristics that is essential for personalized imaging. It is really challenging to seamlessly integrate multiple identities to generate images. Problems such as identity mixing, where attributes from different individuals are incorrectly combined, complicate efforts to enhance the quality of personalized images. To address these challenges, this instant family methodology uses a masked cross attention mechanism within the framework of a latent diffusion model. This approach not only preserves the identities of multiple individuals, as you can see in this picture, but also allows for dynamic control of their poses and spatial relations. Instant Family uses both global and local features in a face recognition model and employs masked cross attention to effectively control identity. This enables the model to generate high performance in both identity accuracy and visual quality. So this method can extend its applicability across various fields such as digital media, social platforms, and personalized content creation, which broadens the horizons of personalized image generation technology. So this approach is really, really groundbreaking. And just one line on that, the new metric which they propose to evaluate identity preservation in scenarios involving multiple identities, because conventional matrices simply reiterate measurements for single identity preservation, failing to address the intricate issue of identity mixing that arises in multi-identity image generation. The introduced metric tackles this challenging problem, providing a comprehensive assessment of identity preservation when multiple identities are involved. So that is the whole thing happening in this paper, and there are a lot of other things which you can read through. Very, very interesting paper, full of pictures, diagrams, and very, very nicely explained as what exactly is happening there. Read through it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please do me a favor and share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.